Gilly!
Go, buddy.
Gilly!
Oi! Oi! Gilly! Paddy!
Come here!
Go, buddy, go!
Wait till they come down because you'll be gone. Go on then. Hi, Gil. How old is she now, Dad?
4 months. She's nearly 5 now,
Yeah.
actually.
Paddy!
What about Nelly?
Nelly's just 4.
Yeah, they're similar age.
Yeah. I think they're like a few weeks, mate.
Come on,
Something
Pad!
like yes, good. Get in there.
Paddy, buddy!
Get in there.
Come on, buddy, go!
This is actually a good place. I've been trying to get Gilly come into the pool because we have a pool at our
Does she
place.
go in?
She won't
Hey, buddy, good boy.
because she, I think,
Nelly.
is afraid of
Good boy.
its depth.
Oh, is she? Yeah.
But like we've got a clamshell that we fill up with
Yeah,
water.
I've got the same, yeah. Does she
And
like that?
She does.
Yeah. Nelly likes that, but she doesn't like... She was here the other day, this was